So it's day one of our Cancun and Quintana Roo adventure. We have arrived in Tulum. So after, I think it was like a 19-hour journey, we're here in Tulum. We've woken up and the hotel is beautiful. Lots of palm trees. We're going to go on an adventure to Coba today. So we're going to see some cenotes, some ruins. It's meant to be a gorgeous beach here. So hopefully we'll catch a sunset. So we have arrived in Coba and it's about 10 in the morning. So we've got here fairly early, but it's still very busy. Look at all these crowds, all these buses of people. We have just got a little bit lost amongst the trees and eventually found this guy. So we're about to hike all the way up to the top. Apparently the views are incredible and well worth it. So I'm about to drink a whole lot of water and get some sun cream on and then get my legs working. So wish me luck. Okay, we're halfway up and it's getting steep, but the views are looking pretty nice. So apparently the Mayans said that these pyramids were the closest thing to heaven once you get to the top. So let's hope that they were right. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. We made it to the top and the views are spectacular. Check it out. Just arrived at our cenote location. So cenotes are these underground caves that were formed through the collapse of limestone, and the Mayans used to use them as a watering hole to wash, to clean, and also because they thought that it was a vessel to the underworld. So we're going to go and check them out. We're going to hopefully jump in. I'm hoping the water's not going to be too cold, but I'll let you know. We're finishing off our first day of this trip on the beautiful beach at Tulum. We've got the ruins in the background there and the sun is beginning to set and it's a great end to our day. We're going to go back to our hotel, get some fajitas and then catch some well-needed sleep before tomorrow. See you later.